In this video, we will learn how to close the recent open files list in Windows 11. See, go to Start. See, this is recommended file, password under one, and you can go to File Explorer also. See, it shows the recent files. We can close this permanently, like go to Start menu, right click on recommended list, start settings. Now off this, show recommended files in start, recent files in file explorer, items in jump list. Close this. Now this is off. Again go to start. See, list is off. Go to file explorer. Recent files has been gone. In this way you can remove these files permanently, and if you want this you can on this the same way, like you can go to start, right click, start setting, on. Now they are coming back. Now if you use any file like this, it will show in list. See, it come back. That's all in this video, guys.